Hello friends, welcome back to my another amazing tutorial. This is Rupchand and you are watching Rup Digital channel. So friends, as you have seen in this video thumbnail, this is the first part of Google Ads Pro courses. So friends, if you want to be the Google Ads expert, if you want to be the Facebook Ads expert, if you want to be the Instagram Ads expert, if you want to be the pro digital marketers, then you must subscribe this channel. So friends, today's topic is all about Google Ads. So what is Google Ads? So Google Ads is a platform where people are placing the ads to get the sales, to get their leads, to do their brand promoting, to do their app promoting and many more things. And how the Google Ads works. So let me give you an example for that. Let's say I have an e-commerce website and I want to sell my product. So how can I sell my product? So I can sell my product in two ways. One is organically and another one is by placing the ads. So friends, organically is very difficult to get the sales. But if you place the Google Ads to sell your product, then Google will show your products to the various platforms. So Google can show your product to his own platform, to his partner platform. So what do you mean by own platform? The own platform means YouTube, Google search results, Google apps and many more platforms which is owned by Google. And the partner platform means, let's give another example for that. Let's say you have a website and you saw that in your website has 1,000 traffic, 5,000 traffic, 10,000 traffic on daily basis and you have applied for the Google AdSense. Then Google AdSense will review your website and if they feel that okay, this is the platform, is the best platform where I can place my ads, then they will approve your website. So that means your website has approved for the Google partner platform. So that means Google can place the ads on your website. You got my point? So now we will discuss deeply to the Google Ads. So for that I would like to take you to my computer screens. So let's jump.
So friends, this is my computer screens and I have opened my Google Ads account. And now let me take you through the Google Ads. So for that, click New Campaign and here you can select the goal that would make this campaign successful. So you should think on your perspective that what you want. If you want to sales, then you have to choose this objective to get more sales. And if you are doing email marketing, so for that you need some leads, right? Then you can choose this leads. If you think that you want some traffics in your website, then you can choose this website traffic objects. And in this product and brand consideration objects, you can encourage the people to explore your brand, to explore your products, to explore your service. So for that you have to choose this product and brand consideration. And the fifth one is brand awareness and reach. So in this object, if you think that you want to promote your brand, then you can choose this objective. And here you can see the app promotion. If you have any app, then you can choose this object. And here you can see the local store visit and promotion. This one is not using so much in Google. So if you want, you can use this for your local marketing. If you have like restaurants, if you have like a small dealership, or if you have a small like a small shopping mall, then you can use this to promote. And here you can see the create a campaign without a goal settings. From here you can do the video ads. And let me show you under these are the objects what are the campaigns are available. So let's click this sales and here you can see the search ad, display ad, shopping ad, video ads. So these four ads are very important to get to success. And let me show you the search ad first. Okay, so search ad in the sense, if somebody is looking for something and he is writing that keyword to the Google search bar, and according to his searches he get the result, that is called search bar. So let me show you that. Like I am interested in electronics parts, so let's search MacBook Pro. Enter. And here you can see the ad. The new 13-inch MacBook Pro official app store, that is called search ad. According to my searches, they are providing the ads. See, here you can see the ads, and from the button also you can see the ads. Let's see. There is no ads. Let's go to the next page. I'm sure you can check, you can see their ads. Here you can see buy latest laptops online. This is the ad, the new 13-inch MacBook Pro official app store. So these are the ads, and you might have a doubt that why this search ads in page 2, why the others ad, which is this is the one, is a top rank. So that means the bid, if you keep the bid higher, then you will have a chance to rank in higher page, and if you have keep the bid in lower, then you will have a chance to display your ads in a button. So now here is the another ads, which is the display ads, and I'm going to show you what is the display ads. So for that you have to go to the the click badge, and I'm sure here I can see some display ads. See, so this is called display ads. In this website you can see always the display ads, because in this website has a much more traffic. That is the reason you can always see the display ads in this website. And now I'm going to show you the shopping ads. So let's check that. I want to buy a Reebok shoe. So let's start typing Reebok and enter. And here you can see this is called shopping ads. Here you can see this is called shopping ads, the Reebok shoe. And now I'm going to show you the another ads, which is video ads. And here you can see the video ad, the basically video ads you might see in a YouTube. So before the video you can see ads, between the video you can see the ads, and end of the video you can see the ads. So these are the most important ads available in Google's, which is search ad, display ads, shopping ads, and video ads. I hope you have understand that the Google objectives, which is sales, leads, website traffic, brand awareness, app promotions, and also you have understand the search ad, display ads, shopping ads, and video ads. So friends, that's all for this video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Till the time, tada, bye bye.